Have you ever had a question about an Amazon product but couldn't figure out how to contact the seller directly? Whether it's about shipping, product details, or returns. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to contact a third-party seller on Amazon in just a few easy steps. This quick guide works perfectly for 2025. So let's get right into it. First, open Amazon.com and make sure you're signed in. You'll see the sign in option in the top right corner. Click that, enter your email and password, and you're good to go. Now, find the product you want to ask about. It could be something you've already purchased or an item you're planning to buy. Click on the product to open its main page. On the right side, under the Buy Now or Add to Cart buttons, you'll notice a small section that says Ships From and Sold By. This is key. If it says Sold by Amazon, it means Amazon itself is the seller. But if it lists a different store name, that's a third-party seller. Click on that store name. You'll now be taken to the seller's dedicated page. On this page, look for a button that says Ask a Question. Click it. A chat assistant will open to guide you. From the options provided, choose an item for sale. This lets Amazon know you're asking about a specific product. You may then see a drop-down list of items you've purchased or are viewing. Select the correct one. Next, you'll be asked to choose a topic, things like shipping, returns, or product details. If none of those fit, just click Other. This will open a message box where you can write your question directly to the seller. Type your message clearly, review it for any typos, and when you're ready, click Send. That's it. You've successfully contacted a third-party seller on Amazon. Most sellers respond within 24 to 48 hours, so keep an eye on your Amazon messages or email for their reply. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, drop a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.